Hi and welcome to LaShenny21Nails. I'm Jenny. If you enjoy my content and you haven't subscribed yet, you can do so by clicking the subscribe button. It's free. As a base, I'm wearing this polish from Sally Hansen Miracle Gel called Can't Beat Royalty. I used their new matte top coat to give it a matte finish. I'll be using the Beauty Bigbang Gold Stamping Polish, which is number 11. And to stamp, I'll be using the last Beauty Bigbang stamping plate that was sent to me for review, which is Beauty Bigbang XL034. I stamped the same image on 3 nails and I really like the way it looks, but I want to add a little bit of sparkle. So I'm going to apply this gorgeous shy glitter polish called Rudolph. And here's the completed manicure. I love the added sparkle and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!